looking at a sheep kidney. The kidney is a really unique and wonderful organ used for filtering blood and maintaining blood pressure. You've got one on either side of your body, kind of in your lower back, and this here is a ureter that goes all the way over to your bladder where you're going to hold and store the pee, but it's actually made in the kidney. So when you cut open the kidney, you're going to see that it's got kind of a very, very dense, although kind of spongy appearance to the tissue on the outside cortex of the kidney. That is where all that filtration occurs. And then in the center here is more like a collecting pelvis area of the kidney that's going to collect the urine and also have the vein and artery running to and from each kidney here. Blood comes in, comes all through the nephridium and the glomeruli, and it's going to get condensed, it's going to get filtered, and then good blood is going to go off, and all the waste is going to get turned into urine and emptied out of the body. It's all nice and smooth on the outside, all nice and spongy, thick on the inside.